Hello everyone, welcome back. Um, just to complete our movements between left and right. In our previous video, we actually programmed our panda to walk from this position all the way towards this position, right? All right, so let me bring up an on-screen uh, keyboard so that we'll actually see how the panda was able to walk. So we told the panda we defined what walk right is, and we said walk right means change x by 20. So it will change x simply means move 20 steps, right? Good. So we did that, and then we defined where on the system we can press by saying when right key press. This is the right key. So let's try it out. Let's start our program and let's come here. Can we see that? When the right key is pressed, the panda is walking towards the right. Fine. Good. So when we press start again, the panda goes to the start position. Beautiful. Now, let me also show us something before we proceed. We have our panda that walked this far. We want the panda to walk back. You see, back, the panda is not walking, but it can go forward. So let's try to see how the panda can go back, right? Good, that's a goal for this class. So now, can someone tell me how we can achieve this? By doing reverse engineering. So walk right was simply define what walk right is, change x by 20, and then we defined it under events, and here we are. So in the same way, we're going to just change a few things and get our panda to walk left. So go back to blocks, click on make a block, and call this one walk left. Can we see that? Walk left, and then click on what? OK. So once you do that, this is what you're going to have, walk left. So let me bring it down here, click and hold and drag. Remember, walk right was the first one we defined, walk left so is the second one we need to define. So the computer is saying define walk left. It doesn't know what walk left is. We need to define it, right? So what can we do to define walk left? We need to go to motion. Remember, we went to motion. So click on motion, then where's our change x by, then you click, hold, drag, and drop. So here for right, for us to achieve right, x, we change x by 20. So if we change x by 20, the panda, let me stop this, the panda walked this way. So if we want to reverse this walk or this walking, the panda will have to go back this way. So this will be what? Minus 20, right? So plus 20, x walked this way, minus 20, x will walk back. Does it make sense? Don't worry, as we go deeper, it's going to make sense. So I will encourage you, watch these videos over and over and over again. You will definitely get to understand it. Finally, we'll now go to events. Can you see events? Click on events, and then we'll choose this block called when this space key is pressed. Bring it and put it here. Don't join it because it's a separate activity, right? So we'll now go back to my blocks and then choose what? Walk left, because this is what we defined. But before we do that, we'll change this space to what? Is it right or left? Left arrow. Good. So when we change that, we'll come and pick walk left and make it, communicate with the when left arrow key press. If you observe carefully, the programming is almost the same. The difference here is 20, here is minus 20, here is walk right, here is walk left. Again, you defined all this and you told the program to work in that way. So again, let's stop our program and start, and let me bring on my screen keyboard and let's walk right. Wow, our panda is walking right. Beautiful. That's wonderful. Let's walk left. Oh, our panda is walking back. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Let's walk right. right, right. This is great. Let's go back. Beautiful. Okay, now let's try going up. The panda is not moving. Let's go down. Can someone tell me why the panda is not moving? You are right. We have not programmed the panda to go up or down. That will be our class. Next class. Have a wonderful day.